Stuck? Frustrated? Feeling like your weight loss journey hit a brick wall? Welcome to the club, my friend. But before you throw in the towel and drown your sorrows in pizza, hold up. What if I told you there's a secret recipe for busting through plateaus and reigniting your weight loss fire? A recipe with zero fad diets and 100% science-backed results? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up, because this video is about to become your weight loss cheat code. But first, don't forget to check the description and pinned comment below for resources that will take your weight loss to a whole new level. Now let's get into it. Get rid of it! Plateaus are not a personal attack, they're just your body adapting. It's all about metabolism, that sneaky little engine that burns calories. As you lose weight, your metabolism slows down, conserving energy like a squirrel stocking up for winter. To overcome weight loss plateaus, you just have to make it difficult for your body to adapt in a way that hurts your weight loss goal. We'll talk about a number of things you can do. Focus your attention on those you're not doing already. They hold the key to bursting through this wall. Ditch the routine. Your body gets used to predictable exercise. Mix things up with HIIT training, interval runs, even dancing like nobody's watching, because, well, they probably aren't. A 2018 study in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that HIIT burned 25% more calories than steady-state cardio. Boom! Embrace the weights. Strength training isn't just for bodybuilders. Building muscle actually boosts your metabolism even at rest. A study in the journal Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise showed that lifting weights increased resting metabolic rate by 19% after just 12 weeks. Protein power. Protein keeps you feeling full and satisfied, preventing unnecessary snacking. A 2017 study in Nutrients found that a high-protein diet led to more weight loss and less muscle loss compared to a low-protein diet. Aim for 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight. Fiber frenzy. Fiber is your gut's best friend. It slows down digestion, keeps you feeling full, and even feeds your good gut bacteria. A 2015 review in the Annals of Nutrition and Metabolism found that increasing fiber intake by 10 grams per day can lead to 3.7 pounds of weight loss over 4 months. Load up on veggies, fruits, and whole grains. Sleep for success. When you're sleep deprived, your body releases more stress hormones, which can hinder weight loss. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. A 2019 study in the journal Diabetes Care found that people who slept for 8.5 hours lost twice as much belly fat as those who slept for 5.5 hours. Stress less, weigh less. Chronic stress can lead to unhealthy eating habits and cortisol spikes, the ultimate metabolism killer. Find your stress-busting techniques: yoga, meditation, nature walks, anything that calms your mind. A 2017 study in the journal Obesity Reviews found that mindfulness meditation helped participants lose weight and keep it off for a year. Spice up your plate. Capsaicin and chili peppers can boost metabolism by up to 5%. Add some heat to your meals and watch the calories sizzle away. Cold comfort. Turns out, shivering burns calories. Expose yourself to cold showers or icy drinks for a mini metabolism boost. Studies have shown short-term cold exposure can increase calorie burning by 5 to 15%. Rest and refuel. Overtraining can stall your progress. Take rest days seriously and ensure your post-workout meals are packed with protein and carbs to refuel your muscles. Mindful munching. Pay attention to hunger cues. Don't force yourself to eat when not hungry, and don't ignore true hunger pangs. Mindful eating can help prevent overeating and emotional eating. Fast forward your fat burning with IF. Enter intermittent fasting, a structured eating pattern that boosts metabolism and burns fat more efficiently. A 2020 review of 27 trials found weight loss ranging from 0.8% to 13.0% over 2 to 12 weeks, even without calorie restriction. There are different IF methods, like the 16-8. Fasting for 16 hours, eating within 8, or 5-2. Eating normally 5 days, fasting 2 days. Choose one that fits your lifestyle and gradually increase the fasting window as you adapt. Remember, listen to your body and consult a doctor if you have any concerns. You can learn more about intermittent fasting by watching one of our other videos. The link should be up right about now. And there you have it, folks. The secret weapons for obliterating weight loss plateaus. Remember, the key to breaking through a weight loss plateau is to keep your body guessing by mixing things up and trying new things. That way, you'll make it difficult for your body to adapt in ways that are not good for your weight loss goals. And remember that it's not about a quick fix, it's about sustainable lifestyle changes. Be patient, be consistent, and most importantly, be kind to yourself. You've got this. Now don't forget to check out the awesome resources in the description and pinned comment below for even more weight loss hacks. And before you go, smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and don't be shy to comment below. Share your struggles, your successes, and let's support each other on this journey.